Do you want to clear Twitter X search history? You can delete search history on X with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To clear search history on X account, first, open the X app on your mobile device. Once you are on X, tap on the search icon located at the bottom of the screen. This will open the search page. Now, tap on the search bar at the top of the screen. Your recent search history will appear below the search bar. Now, find and long press on an individual recent search item or account. A pop-up will appear. From here, select Clear to delete this specific search item. To remove all your search history at once, tap on the cross icon at the top right of the screen. A pop-up will appear for confirmation. Tap on Clear to delete all search history at once. Once done, your search history will be cleared and no recent searches will appear anymore.